Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Make the bed. Make the bed. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. Wash the car. Wash the car. Water the plants. Water the plants. Cook a meal. Cook a meal. Organize the closet. Organize the closet. Set the table. Set the table. Change a light bulb. Change a light bulb. Wipe the counters. Wipe the counters. Clear the clutter. Clear the clutter. Wash the clothes. Wash the clothes. Polish the furniture. Polish the furniture. Clean the fridge. Clean the fridge. Take care of pets. Take care of pets. Clean the stove. Clean the stove. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Vacuum the sofa. Vacuum the sofa. Clean the mirrors. Clean the mirrors. Wash the curtains. Wash the curtains. Scrub the sink. Scrub the sink.
Well done. Repeat this video to practice more. Subscribe for more English learning videos.